Back with the Eliminex. We're in South Plainfield. I was almost finished with this job in January. These traps got buried in the snow. I had to set the set the traps out a day before the big snowstorm was coming in. I was hoping it wasn't going to be this deep. The reason why it's this deep in the back is because of the drift. It just lands on the roof and it just blows off and it just piled up. And these traps were actually buried in the snow, and it kept me from luring the raccoon. So it's about a week now. It's been a week later. I checked it a couple times. Had to take the traps out, and this is where it was getting back in. And with the snow, we don't see any footprints. We don't see any footprints anywhere where they probably left for some reason. Probably went to go get food and then didn't come back after the storm. So I'm going to go ahead and tie this up. This was a temporary patch. We had squirrels, raccoons. I caught 3 raccoons, big ones. Then I caught like 4 squirrels. Everything just tried to get back in. So I had all kinds of traps. So I thought we were done. And then the day before the storm happened, well, a few days before, I got a call that they come back. And then I set the traps out. I determined that I saw this hole, so I set the traps out, but it snowed the next day. But I think we're all in the clear right now without having the traps. So I'm going to leave these traps for about another 4 days. I'm going to patch this up temporarily, and then when everything thaws out, I'm going to do the permanent repair. We'll be done with this job.